After 30 years of machining, what would you say is the biggest change you've noticed?
I would say it's a host of things. Cutting tools have gotten much better. Now there's manufacturing engineers and process engineers that have kind of filled that role of the lead machinist because the machine tool technology has gotten so much better. The programming software has gotten so much better. All the information and the machines themselves have gotten so much better. MachinistX.com. Jump on, free membership, connect with other machinists. It's a machinist site built by machinists for machinists. And we also have some master classes coming up. We're going to be talking about some AI stuff, Department of Defense contracting and various things like that. Some shop tours, and then I have some really cool software that's coming out. I'm always improving the website, but right now, stay tuned.